and it's moist. And I hope you can see those flecks of flavor and spices in there. If you watched my pumpkin spice buffetized cookie mix, I told you about the banana nut muffins I'm gonna make. I'm starting with the Pillsbury quick bread mix. I'm gonna use 2 boxes. So again, I'm not making any banana nut bread. I'm making muffins. On the back of this mix, it tells you the instructions for making the muffins. But I'm gonna buffetize them, y'all know that. So let's get started. I have 2 mixes. I'm also going to add this Martha White banana nut mix. I only got 1 of them, and I didn't realize this when I bought it. It was $1 or $1.19 at Kroger. It only makes 2 muffins. I mean, if you're by yourself, it's perfect, but you know, we're going to add that to this too. We also are going to be using eggs. The nut is going to be, I'm dropping nuts. It's going to be pecans. I did have 3 bananas that I let get overripe on the counter. I mashed them up. And of course, y'all know I'm going to add some vanilla. Come on now. So let me go ahead and put the eggs in. Now, neither recipe calls for the vanilla or the added banana or the nuts, but banana nut, right? You need both. In the Martha White recipe, all you add is milk. You don't have to add any eggs or anything else. My eggs and milk are at room temperature. I have them sitting out. I have my oven preheated to 375. And I'm going to be making large size muffins because that's what I do. I already have my muffin pans prepared with the paper muffin liners. Love using those things. Why? Because I'm lazy and it's easy cleanup. We also have to add oil based on the Pillsbury mix. Forgot to tell you guys about that. So the Pillsbury mix is milk, oil, and eggs. So we have the eggs and the oil in there. Now I'm going to add the milk. And oops, I'm spilling that too. Good night. And you just put everything in here and you mix it. My eggs and my milk are at room temperature. I had them sitting out. The instructions don't say to have it at room temperature, but whenever you're baking, if you have your ingredients at room temperature, they will mix together better and blend together better for you, and you get a more even batter. Okay, I got it plugged in. I'm gonna cover this up so that if the batter or whatever flies around, it won't get on the counter. Start off slow. Now I want to add my vanilla. Added 4 tablespoons. I'm also going to add in the mashed bananas. I've used that Pillsbury quick bread mix before and actually made the banana nut bread, and it was really good. Only thing I added, things I added to that when I made that before, is I added some vanilla and some mashed banana. Okay. Now, only thing left to add are the pecans. got a hole in this. So there we go. And when we bake them, it's 375 for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown, or the toothpick comes out clean. Mine will be a little bit longer because they're going to be bigger. Now, I have 3 of these jumbo, what am I trying to say? Muffin pans. I think I'm going to need all 3 because that's a lot of batter. Handy dandy ice cream cookie scoop. I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. Put it on a cookie sheet in case it spills over. I don't think it will, but better safe than sorry, right? I'll be back when they're done. Here's all the muffins. Ended up with 16 of them. And I had them on a cookie sheet, one cookie sheet. All of these at one time, so I'm going to try one. This is a little mushed in because it was against the other muffin pan while it was baking. Oh, you didn't see that. I've been clumsy today. But you see the inside of it? Okay. Here we go. Oh, here's one that just popped up piece. These are good. And it's moist. And I hope you can see those flecks of flavor and spices in there. That's good. I don't buy too much Pillsbury stuff because I don't like the brand as far as baking mixes. But, you know, their refrigerated biscuit dough is good, stuff like that, and just dough was good. But that quick bread banana nut mix, it's on point. But you need to add the vanilla, and you need to add some bananas. And if you let them sit out and get overripe, I mean, the peel is going to be like brown, and it's going to be soft and mushy. The more you let it get overripe, the sweeter it'll get, and that'll yield you a sweet muffin, or if you make the bread. Well, thanks for coming along with me, family. Another hit. This is already in the rotation because, like I said earlier in the video, I made this last year when I made the actual bread. It was good. Now I know the muffins are just as good, so we'll add it to the rotation. If you learned anything, if you like this video, if you like me, give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. That really helps me out. Leave a comment. Do you like banana nut bread? And I'm curious, do you use walnuts or do you use pecans as far as the nut in the banana nut? Would really like to know. Also, subscribe to the channel. And we're coming up on the holiday season. It's going to be a lot of baking. It's going to be a lot of baking. We can do it together. Till the next video, family. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.